So today I have the Fingerbot. It was a Kickstarter that I backed a couple months ago. It's made by Adaprox, and what it basically is a little device that you can pair to your phone, and this little like hammer attached to it, you can basically program it to push something like a light switch, maybe air conditioning on, maybe your coffee, just whatever. So I'm gonna unbox it and then test it out. So let's get to it. So first off, let me slice this little tape. So you got your directions, user manual, how to turn it on. You got a nice little charge cord, some 3M adhesive tape inside, because like I said, the idea is, mostly if you want to turn something on, you don't want this thing moving, so you could like put it on a light switch. This is the actual device. Let me slide it out. Some of my initial 3M sticker already was losing some of its stickage, I guess you could say. But that's what it looks like. It's just basically a little box, and if you want to do a light switch, for example, you would put this under your light switch. Let's pretend my finger is the light switch. If it's a on-off type switch, you can change out these for certain things, but you'd program it, and then this little thing would come out and push the light switch or push a button. So obviously these are the extra sticky pads, which looks like I might need one because mine is kind of screwed up. I don't think this honestly is fault of the manufacturer. Mine kind of sat in some mailboxes for a little while. It can, as the box says, it works with Alexa and works with Google Assistant. So I just downloaded the Adaprox Home app before this little video, but I'm gonna boot it up and show you how it works as well. So let's get to doing that. So I just finished pairing the Fingerbot to the Adaprox Home app on my Android phone, and I'm gonna use a Loki Lego figure as a demo subject. So basically, once I push this button over on the left, the Fingerbot is gonna push the Loki figure out of the way, just like it would a light switch, or if it wanted to push down on something like a coffee maker button. So here we go. It's kind of makes an abrupt loud noise, but I still think it's pretty cool. If you have any cool ideas on what you would use this for, drop them in the comments. I'm actually not sure what I'm going to use it for yet. I think initially I just thought light switch. If I forget to, leave a light on for the dog, maybe I'll have it set for a specific light switch, because getting a lot of Wi-Fi bulbs can get expensive, and just, I have one of my rooms has multiple bulbs tied to one switch, so I can cheap out and do it that way. But if you have any cool ideas, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear it. Thanks for watching.